So doing Ford America, we're just doing a spare key. Over at the gas station chilling in the shade. It's the best way to do it. Yeah, it said no key detected there for a second.
Yeah, I know, that thing that started giving us problems after yesterday.
Yeah. Your keypad code, my machine pulled it. I'm not going to put that on YouTube. Keyless system, key learning, add smart key. I updated this machine and now it forces you to have a working key. Turn the ignition to the on position. Might start again with, I think I'm going to start again. I'm going to turn the car off.
Just with the ignition on.
Yeah. That's usually how we do it. It's usually a lot faster. Yep, a little bit. Sure if I've been again, it was quick. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. I'll turn it on. Okay. Let's go get this one. Turn that off because it's going to start coming out warm anyway. You can roll down the windows if you want. It's usually like 2 minutes and just boom. But we'll see. Might have to wait it out. 2 keys learned. We're going to add the next key. The lock should cycle. There we go. That's it. Buttons work. Everything works at the same time, so that's how they work. Turn that off. Cool. Did it come with a backup key or no for the door?
Oh yeah, it's back in there.
You want to cut it?
Oh, is it not cut for this thing?
Oh yeah, no, it'll be blank. We can cut it as long as this one's cut. I can copy it.